Alright, well, we're gonna go full auto, no respawns. Both sides ready?
Ready.
Alright, run the tape, guys. Run the tape. The game will start in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Alright, switch sides, guys. Whoever's the fighter, go back to the corner.
Did you shoot at the park? Did you shoot at the park?
That was this guy right here.
It threw me off. It threw me off. I'm looking that way.
Alright.
Round 2.
Round 2, guys. The game will start in 3, 2, 1, go. Same thing.
Did you hit me, Jim?
What?
No one even shot over here.
Yeah, we haven't even fired a bullet. No,
Okay, that's, I thought it was a ricochet, I just want to make sure.
No, I
Alright, we're still on, we're good.
Alright.
Wow, that sounds like it hurts.
Whoa! Yeah, you got me on that one. Ow.
You guys want to go one semi?
Was he behind the palace?
You slid through the pallets. Nice.
You guys want to go semi?
No, I'd like to stay on full for a little bit.
You're the... Wait.
I'm the floater, so I stay here.
You're not the floater. Whatever.
No one should never be mine.
How big am I need?
No, I agree. But,
Round 3.
Alright. We're going to play the same game, guys. Both sides ready?
Yep.
The game will start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey,
You guys want to go again?
yeah, we got it.
Alright, switch.
Yeah, these games are going massively quick. So.
Alright, switch sides, guys. Same thing. Same game. The game will start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice, dude. Damn it. Shoulder shot, you lucky bastard.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, well, just tell me when you guys want to stop. I'll just keep on having you guys switch.
Let's start changing up to one respawn, huh?
Alright. Fully auto. Fully auto.
Yep.
1 respawn.
Round 5.
Round 4.
Round 4.
Alright, the game will start in 3, 2, 1, go.
He's not going to go out that side.
One respawn, guys. Hey, once you guys back up, let him get out of spawn.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
This guy's getting really bad messed up.
Okay.
Coming up.
Alright, ready? Yep.
Yeah, just count to 10 and then you can come out.
Cut myself.
That's too far to bang bang. Hey, next time you can just shoot him. That's like really far to bang bang.
Yeah, I know.
Hey.
I know.
We hang out a lot more than this, trust me. You'll pay it along there.
Alright, round 5, guys. Fully auto.
One respawn?
1 respawn. The game will start in 3, 2, 1, go. One respawn, guys. Try not to blind fire. See what you're shooting at.
Just camping, waiting for people to come out of the spawn. Like a little bit.
You want to take turn the same?
Yeah, sure. I got some. Pull out of that thing. You don't get a shot just once.
No, keep it really tough.
Ready for another round? Woo! Round 2.
Round 6, guys. All right, we're gonna go full auto. 2 respawns.
Sure.
All right, the game will start in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hey, remember your bang bang?
Yeah, that should have been bang bang.
Did I get you in the dick?
No, he full auto him for like point blank range.
Yeah. That was,
Alright, remember guys, 2 respawns, 2 respawns.
Oh, 2 respawns? Oh, yeah. I said no respawn.
I'll, yeah. Call that as I got hit.
You guys got 2 respawns.
Four! The other word I'm supposed to yell.
2 respawns, guys, 2 respawns.
Are you out or what?
No, he has a respawn.
No, that's a freaking pain. Oh,
Don't bang bang from that far. Don't bang bang from that far, guys.
I just felt bad shooting you from there, so.
You guys done?
Yeah.
Alright, take your mags out, shoot you down to the bucket.